to show you this cool little item that I was given to try out by a brand called Teletrogy, like that. Anyway, it's a shoe washing bag, and this thing really comes in handy when you want to wash things like big tennis shoes or any kind of shoes that are washable, because it keeps them from bouncing around and making a bunch of noise and kind of getting all over the place. But what's really nice, it's got this like nice mesh right here, and then it's got this really nice soft cover inside here. And then if you look inside of it, if I can get it open like that, it's got this inside of it, which really protects the shoes and keeps them from bouncing around. So I can take something like a pair of tennis shoes like this and just pop them in here like that. You can actually, it has a divider in here too, so that you can divide the shoes up so they're not touching each other, which I think is really great. And then it just zips up like this. And then all you do is you pop it into the washing machine, and that'll keep your shoes nice and get them nice and clean. And I think that the things inside of it actually help to clean the shoes as well. So it's almost like going through a car wash for your shoes. So I'm just going to pop this into the washing machine and clean my shoes.